Got off work. I'm in the healthcare industry. Um, Unfortunately, for those of you that understand the healthcare industry, it's a long day, it's hard work. We get to wear these great things all day long, and it's hard. And I don't want to do this the rest of my life. I used to love my job in healthcare. I used to love what I did. I'm very grateful for, having that career and having the opportunity to have it provide income for my family at one time. But I'm getting older, and things that, have become more difficult with COVID. It's very difficult working in healthcare during this time, and I've decided it's not what I want to do for the rest of my life. So I had to figure out something to do, and I come across the 15-day challenge, and I'm going for it. And I'm going to see where it takes me, and I would love for others who are in the healthcare industry to reach out and say hello and follow me. And I would love for you to join me on this adventure and change your life too. See you soon. Like and follow, guys.